Today we are going to do phylum Arthropoda. It is the largest phylum of animal kingdom where it has and includes many insects, all the insect species, scorpions, spiders, crustaceans, etc. Arthro means jointed and poda means foot. So when they have jointed foot, this is the most unique feature of this phylum Arthropoda. The general features, the general characteristics we can see in the figure that they follow organ system level of organization. Organ system level of organization means the cells, they form tissues, tissues will form organs. And in the beautiful pictures of all the different types of insects on right hand side, we can see different type of specifications for their characters. But the main thing they have common is the pair of legs. Either 6 to 8 pairs of legs are there, which helps in various functions like walking, clinging, jumping and feeding. Next is symmetry. They are bilateral symmetrical. That means if you divide them in half, they get divided in two equal halves, and they are symmetrical. They are alike, and even the organs are divided in two equal halves inside the body. The body may be segmented outside, inside they are not. Then they have germinal layers which have ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. 3 germinal layers are present in this phylum. Again, to see and learn about these animals, they may be aquatic or terrestrial. Then they may be free living or parasitic. All the bed bugs, ticks, mosquitoes, they are all parasitic in nature and they suck the blood from other organisms. Their body is segmented externally and they have coelom present. This is having a true coelom. The body has distinct parts: head, thorax and abdomen. Head can be seen. It may be having bigger eyes, antennas, and may be having fused segments and sense organs. Again, thorax is the middle part and the abdomen is the lower part. The appendages are the main characteristics of this phylum. Another unique feature is the exoskeleton. It is formed of thick, tough and non-living chitinous cuticle. Chitin is a protein, thick protein, cuticle is the outer epidermal layer. Exoskeleton protects animals from mechanical and chemical injuries. It prevents desiccation. Desiccation means falling off the wings or body parts, and also helps in attachment to the substrate. Cosmopolitan, they are found all over the world, and the digestive system, the lowermost. That means if you see, the lowermost or the digestive lowermost form, we can see the general characteristics of complete digestive system. That means it has mouth and anus. If you see this, head is a portion which has a mouth. Foregut, digestive system, here we have the foregut or the thorax part, and abdomen in which we have the midgut and it has an anus outlet to throw or excrete. That means it has two openings at mouth and anus. Again, if you see this figure is having antenna at the head, cerebral ganglion, that is the brain is going to just form head. Then it has the thorax, it has the heart, it has the abdomen. And digestive system has two openings, mouth and anus. Again, if we see the respiratory system, they have the respiratory organs, gills, book gills, trachea and book lungs. It also occurs through general body surface. For example, gills in prawn, book lungs we can see in scorpion and spider, trachea we can find in cockroach, and book gills we can find in king crab. If you can see, we have this grasshopper. Again, crustaceans having the book gills, and these are the larvae. Circulatory system is of open type. That means blood is pumped by a heart into the body cavity and open directly into the body cavity, which is now called as hemocoel. And there are no blood vessels found. If you see in this figure, ostia are the different openings at the end of the tracheal pores. Tubular heart is present. Then this figure is given in your book also, showing anterior aorta and chambers of heart in the various sections. Excretory organs are called as Malpighian tubules because they open into a duct or green glands. They directly open to exterior. Nervous system consists of a nerve ring and a double ganglionated ventral nerve cord. I have just now shown you a ganglionated head, cerebral ganglion. That means it is a portion where all the nerves they get together and they form ganglionated ventral nerve cord. When we say ventral nerve cord, that means the nerve cord is present ventrally, not dorsally, as we all have our vertebral column. The sense organs, they have simple eyes or maybe compound eyes like in butterfly. Aquatic forms have statocysts. What are statocysts? They help in balancing in water. Now we come to the reproduction. They are mostly dioecious, that means separate sexes, and follow internal fertilization. They are egg laying mostly, and development is direct or indirect. When we say direct or indirect, that means they may have larval forms, pupal forms, or they may not, but usually they have. If you can see, these are the forms, beautiful larval, butterfly larval to pupa we have learnt in class 7th. Butterfly eggs are being laid on the leaf, and this moth or butterfly, they are maturing. These are the beetles, which are different. Female is smaller than the male, and in cockroaches we can distinguish females and males. Males have the anal styles and females do not. Then how do these arthropods are an advancement over annelids, as they have distinct head, jointed appendages for various functions, exoskeleton, special respiratory organ, secrete pheromones. These are the special types of hormones. They are having peculiar specific type of smell, and we can identify the animals with their specific smell, and have well developed sense organs. These features are absent in Annelida. So what are the unique features? Jointed appendages. Body has three regions: head, thorax and abdomen. Body is covered by exoskeleton, excrete by Malpighian tubules, and sensory organs are antennae, compound and simple eyes. And aquatic ones have statocysts. You can see in this figure antenna. It is a lovely wasp or bigger bee. Head portion, thorax portion and abdomen. Malpighian tubules are present inside the body. Then anus, rectum, they have mouth at one portion and anus at the other. Jointed appendages means these are legs. Compound eye, they have simple or compound eye in the mouth portion. They are many segments are fused. Then phylum Arthropoda examples: spider, various insects, scorpion, crab, prawn and all the others. Economical important insects are honeybee, bombyx, white moth and Laccifer lacca, which helps us to make lac. Vectors which carry the diseases: Anopheles, Culex mosquito, Aedes aegypti mosquito and housefly. All the disease carrying vectors. Culex causes dengue and gregarious pest. The meaning gregarious means bigger. Locust. Nowadays locusts are very prone to our Indian crops. They are called as tiddies in Hindi, and they just come as a cloud. They sit on our crops and our crops are damaged. Certain living fossil is of Lemulus, that is of king crab. Now it is not found. That's all. Hope the beautiful arthropoda features you'll be able to remember and write down in your copy. Thank you.